know that unfortunately we are going to postpone reopening back after half term for our G-Force Kids Club and for our toddlers Noah's Ark Stay and Play. But from next week we'll be back up and running, and thank you for your patience with it. I know we don't want to admit it, but Christmas is coming and it is right round the corner. So that means our Christmas Fest is coming soon on the 18th and 19th of December. But we need volunteers. So if you'd like to help out, there is going to be something for everyone to get involved in at this Christmas Fest. So make sure you head to our website, sign up to help out and volunteer at the Christmas Fest this December.
We know what? We know that all power rests in your hands.
Whilst we're on the subject of the Christmas Fest in December, we can let you know that tickets are now available for you to purchase to come along with your family and friends. You can book a timed hour slot throughout that weekend where you can come along and stay as long as you like, to be honest. But there's going to be a carousel, a Christmas cafe, we're going to have animals there. Yep, not this toy one, we'll have actual ones there. We're going to have a Christmas cafe, we're going to have some food. It's going to be amazing and lots of fun there for you to enjoy with your family and friends. So let everyone you know that it's happening here in Bilston at Excel Church, and get your tickets booked online on our website.
This is where, this is where we stand.
On the 21st of November, there's going to be a special shoebox pill service to showcase the work of Operation Christmas Child. So this is a perfect time for you to bring your shoebox along to church, already filled in. And if you need info on what to fill in with your box, then find out what you can pack in a shoebox for a child in another nation by visiting our welcome desk or Googling Operation Christmas Child. So that's all for Excel News. If you'd like any more information, just head to our website or get us on social media for more frequent updates. Have a great week.